We have 6 different steps here that you guys have probably seen before, maybe in your other classrooms or from other teachers as well. Starting with your first one, which is parentheses.
The other day.
I do want to say real quickly, I really want you guys to notice how table 2 over here is appropriately and quietly following respect in the classroom by making sure that they're following along and writing down what they're supposed to be writing down. Thank you, table 2, and my other tables that are doing that as well. So after your parentheses, or sometimes you may not even have them, then we jump into next, which is exponents. And I know that was big for you guys in 6th grade. Exponents.
I know, that's what I was saying.
Multiplication that we have done before.
I'm not sure.
Take a moment and copy those 2 steps down, and then we'll move on to the next one. If you guys don't mind, remember in the classroom, one of our expectations is respect, and so when we're respectful, we like to quietly make sure that we can follow along so that you guys can be successful, as well as the people around you that may have a hard time hearing. Thank you.
Thanks, Mr. Watson.
So once you have your parentheses and your exponents, now we're kind of into our 4 basics right here, right? Starting with multiplication.
I know. I wasn't sure.
Followed by our opposite,
the other day.
which is
When
division. So take a moment to get those next 2 down real quickly.
And when I Snapchatted you, I know.
Excuse me. So as a reminder, right, I was just over here and I reminded you of our expectation to make sure that we were quietly and appropriately following along. I gave you a warning. You were quiet for a little bit, but then you kept doing that. So because of this, I have a think sheet for you. You're not in trouble. You just fill it out, reflect on it, make sure that you and I are both aware that we understand the expectation in the classroom. Thank you very much. So after you have these right here, our last.
With the think sheet that this student filled out, we do have a first and last name, a grade that is circled, the date issued, and also we have the word expectation that was needing improvement. And these 4 are necessary. However, the quality of the causes of my behavior is very limited. The behavior, what they wrote down, does not necessarily show accountability, and the effects, again, are also very limited in what the student in the situation called for. In the second example, when we look at different ideas, the causes of the behavior, these are a little bit more distinct. They have a little bit more detail and a little bit more thought to them. It was talking out during the lesson, but these are authentic reasons for why the person may have been doing it. Also, we have 3 areas showing consideration of the effects of the behavior. This is the effects of the behavior on the individual, the effects of the behavior on the students around the individual, and finally, the effects on the teacher.